everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you saw the thumbnail for this video, you most likely know it's about lighting, it's about shop lighting. One of my biggest things I wanted to address with my commercial location was new lights. I wanted it to be nice and bright in my shop. Same way with the office actually in here. All these lights in here were replaced. They did have some really old fluorescent lights that were just done for. So we took those down. We can, put in the can lights. So much better in here. I got a display area over here. But let's go out to the shop. I'll show you what I got so far. Okay, so now we are in the shop. And the biggest thing that was wrong with this place when I got it was, number one, all of the bulbs were old T8 bulbs and they had not been changed since, I'm going to say since mid-2000s. They were ancient. They would barely start. I'm not 100% sure how anyone could stand it, but I'm definitely one of those guys. I like my shop really bright. So all of the T8 bulbs, I went ahead and replaced them with a retrofit GE bulb from Lowe's that does not require a ballast replacement, which is nice. So those are a drop-in deal, done. So the next thing I did was I cleaned these T5 high bays. I went ahead and cleaned those right now. I'm still waiting on the LED bulbs for those. The rest of the stuff to do the other high bays. So let's get into that right now. So here's the lights we're actually going to be running. These are from Commercial Electric. And I actually just got these from my local Home Depot. Go ahead and open this one for you. And then we'll go. There it is. It's got a really nice cast aluminum housing for the light itself. And it's got a couple settings here at the bottom. So, 18, 24, and 30,000 lumen. This thing seems pretty well built. And so I'm going to go ahead and run these, get them installed, and we'll see if we like them. Okay, so we already have one installed over my welding table area and just used a typical J-box, ran the cord over to it with a cord grip and wire netted it in place. That's going to be the temporary spot for that one. Now we're jumping over to me doing something totally not OSHA approved, but something I do on a regular basis. So no worries there. Slide the cabling into the J-box, make my connections. I'll saunter down my ladder here. There we go. That's nice. Get down off there, guy. So pull the ladder down, let down the forklift. Okay, so the installation is complete, super straightforward. I did wire these. These are all wired 120 volt. They can be wired 120 to 277. So all the lights on the east side have been changed. Those were all T8 fluorescent bulbs that were completely wore out. On the other side of the shop, also same deal. Those were T8 bulbs. I changed those out to retrofit LEDs, and I'll put a link in the description with the products I used, because really I wanted to put up something that casts a lot of light out but didn't cost an absolute fortune. So that's what I did. Let's fire them up. I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so all the lights are replaced. It looks so much better in here. I will say these lights here are crazy bright. I'm super impressed with them. I'm definitely probably going to add more. But for the amount I've spent on this whole building so far, all of the bulbs that were on the east end and all the bulbs that were on the west end, those cost me right around $100 from Lowe's. And then these up here, the pancake style ones, the high bays, those were like $100 a piece. So I have about $300 and just completely redoing most of the lighting in here. Now, these lights right here, these are T5 high bays, they're older ones. I did go ahead and just clean them for right now. Definitely, I hope this helps somebody else out there on an inexpensive way to make your shop really bright. Like, tag, share, follow, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.